Okay, good. So, welcome. I've done this work many times, looking at the auxiliary verb and the main verb, checking the tense. Something new came today. One of the students, Hannah, said, well, why can't this tense be present perfect? So we slowly worked out present perfect. You did this. You started off with a positive sentence, you turned it into a yes-no question, you turned it into a big answer. And you can see now that present perfect needs a completely different auxiliary verb, the auxiliary verb have or has in the present, which makes it present, and then the third column of a verb, which makes it perfect, which is very different to anything else that you see here. Does, doesn't, present, present simple, did and didn't, past simple. The verb to be with ing, if the verb to be is in the present, it's present, ing says continuous. If the verb to be is in the past, it's past, check the verb to be, check the main verb, ing, past continuous. Present perfect looks so different. We're not learning it, but you've done this. It's the auxiliary verb have or has, and then the third column. But something else came up today which was really interesting. We can still make mistakes because I'm teaching you present simple, present continuous, past continuous. You might mistake present perfect for present continuous. This is why I say always check the auxiliary verb and then the main verb. So we wrote this sentence here. I've seen through the film. I say, what's the auxiliary verb? Have. What's the main verb? Seen. Present perfect. I wrote the next sentence. I said, okay, present perfect. What's the auxiliary verb? Have. What's the main verb? Are. There isn't a main verb. That means this is the main verb. This is present simple. Don't make that mistake. Present perfect needs have or has plus a past participle. So always check the two verbs, and if there's only one, it's going to be a main verb, and then we need to check what tense it is. Well done.